Hello again, my name's Margaret. Welcome to my channel. Today we are learning grammar. Grammar you say? Yes, we are learning grammar. You've already been looking at the verb be in the present tense. I am happy. You are happy. He is sad. She is sad. It is sad. We are excited. They are excited. You all are excited. You all are excited to find out what's coming up today. Today we are looking not at present tense. We are looking at the past tense. Past tense. If we've got a line telling us about our day, this is now present tense. We are in class. We'll look at that. We are in class. We are in class. Present tense. Past tense is about what we have done. What we have done in the past. This morning, I was tired. The verb be, look at it. Was. It's not am. Not I am tired, it's not now. This was this morning, past tense. So I was tired. How were you feeling this morning? Maybe you were tired. Maybe you were tired this morning. I was tired this morning. Now I am awake. I am awake and I am happy. Because that's now, present tense. In the past, I was tired. You were tired. Now, are you happy? Good. Let's look at he. Present tense, he is sad. He's sad now. How was he feeling this morning or yesterday? He was happy. He was happy yesterday or this morning. Past tense, before the present, before. He is sad at the present. In the past, he was happy. I wonder what's happened. Maybe he's had some bad news. He didn't get a very good grade. He was happy at school, but now he's home. He is sad because he showed his mum his bad grade. Maybe. What about she? She was angry. Same verb be. She was angry. She was sad. She is sad, present tense. She is sad. Past tense, she was angry. Okay, so let's talk about that one. If she was angry and she is now sad. Angry and sad. So maybe she's really angry, but now she's just feeling sad. So it's a little bit better. Maybe she started to read a book. Stopped her from feeling sad, but now she's angry. So that's not better. What could you do to make someone who was sad now angry? She's sad now, but she was angry. She's read a book. That'll make her sad now. Maybe someone's saying, come on, it's going to be okay. Maybe someone's helped her. From when she was angry, now she's just feeling sad. Maybe someone's helped her. Now let's look at it. It is sad now. What was it yesterday? It was happy. Let's put the opposite. It is sad now. Maybe the dog's feeling sad. Yesterday it was happy. Yesterday his owners were at home. Today the owners have gone to work. So he's at home alone. So that's why it is sad now, present. The owners have gone to work. Yesterday it was happy. I'm going to rub this off, because I think you all know present and past, just to fill my board. We were bored. Bored. Do you get bored in class? I used to get bored in math class. In math class, I were bored. We were bored yesterday. Today, we are excited. Maybe they're going on a road trip. Today, they're excited. Yesterday, we were bored. So maybe they were at school and the class that they were in, it was boring. So we were bored. They were frightened. They were frightened yesterday. Today they are excited. Now, first time on an aeroplane. First time on an aeroplane, your mum and dad tells you, oh, we're going on an aeroplane. Oof, I've never been on an aeroplane. Frightened. Today's the day we're going on holiday, so I'm a little bit excited now. But when Mum told me I was going on an aeroplane yesterday, frightened. You all were bored. You all were bored yesterday. Present tense. You are all excited. Well done today. That was a great lesson. We've been learning the verb be in present tense. And we've been learning how to change that verb be to the past tense. Hope you've all understood this lesson today. Good job for listening. Let's see if you can make some sentences using present tense and the past tense. Have a try. Good job today. See you next week. Bye bye.